My name is Christine from CourageousPainting.com, and I create traditional art in a non-traditional way. And you can see right behind me that we are painting a waterfall with a fork. I chose a fork for this painting because it's an object that we use every day and not an object that a normal person would be inspired by, but I'm not normal. I've always had this connection to painting that I couldn't describe. I had this feeling inside of me that I wanted to get out, but I never seemed to have the right tools. Little did I know, all of the tools I would ever need were always around me. Before I start painting, I try to think of as many ways I can manipulate the fork as possible. I think of what kind of shapes I can create and how I can layer colors. The prongs remind me of water, so I decided to paint a waterfall. I started this painting on October 31st and finished it on November 11th. The most helpful acrylic painting advice I can give anyone is to take your time. Look at every painting as a new experience that will teach you something about your craft or yourself. You can get started in something as small as a sketchbook or a scrap piece of paper. You just have to have the courage to start. And there you have it, a painting of a waterfall that was painted entirely with a fork. Subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more videos like this, because I believe that you can make art using anything, and it's my mission to show you how. If you want to see me paint with a paper plate, go ahead and check out this video, and I'll see you guys next time.